Hey guys! In honor of Thanksgiving approaching, we're going to make some little egg carton turkeys. It's a great craft to make with little leftover materials. It does not require a lot of materials, and they're really cute. So, a simple, cute project with some leftover materials. Let's see how we make them. And bread. To make our turkeys, you're going to need the following items from your bag: the egg carton, piece and squares of paper in blue, orange, green, yellow, brown, and red. In addition to that, you're going to need a black marker, definitely liquid glue. You could use a glue stick as well for various parts of it, but the egg carton is going to need liquid glue, and scissors. Step one is to take your egg carton and cut it in half. You're then going to want to glue these pieces together flat. So you're going to have to cut down the sides until you have two straight, until they are, well, I'm never gonna find that piece. You're gonna wanna cut down the edges and get them flat and square, so that you're able to glue the two sides together. So chop off any rough edges, anything that's not nice and flat and even. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna glue this together. All right, get a nice little dabs of glue along the edges. Kind of do a little dabby dance around the edges. The edges are thin, and if you pour a ton of glue on, it's just gonna go running all over the place. Anything too heavy is gonna smush it, but if you have something lightweight that will sit on it and hold it together, like a little mini stapler in my case, you can set that to the side and work on the tail feathers while that is drying together. When you're making your turkey's tail feathers, I gave you 6 colors of paper. You can go rainbow and do each color. You can just do a couple colors. You can double some colors, have 3 of one color, 2 of another color. It's really up to you how you want to do it. Keep in mind, you will need a little bit of red to save for his face, and some orange to save for his beak and his feet. So do not use up all of your red and all of your orange when you're making the feathers. And to cut the feathers out, just curve and go to a point. Start at the bottom point, curve up, and go to a point. Very simple, just cut out a bunch of these guys. I'm just going to, for simplicity's sake, and the sake of just showing it to you guys, just do one of each color. So I'm going to have 6 tail feathers. You can have 7, 8, 10. You can have as many tail feathers as you want. But for the sake of just showing you guys the craft, I'm just going to use these 6. Using your glue stick, you're just going to glue the bottom and add a feather, and glue the bottom and add a feather. You are also going to use your red and cut out a circle for your turkey's face. And a little teardrop shape for the turkey's gobbler. Using orange, you're going to cut a diamond for the beak, just a little diamond that you're going to fold in half for his beak. And for his feet, you're going to almost make a triangle. And then you're going to make a triangle inwards. And you're going to make a shape like this. And this will be your turkey's feet. That's going to get glued underneath the bottom so his little feet are sticking out. Once your turkey glue has dried, then you can glue the tail feathers onto the back of the turkey. You can draw little eyes on his face. Glue the gobbler here, coming out from under his head. Glue his little beak on his face. Got a little squeaky there. I guess I think he's cute or something. I don't know. Put glue on the back of his head. Glue his face on. Get some glue on his feet. Readjust his tail feathers because they are not dried on yet. Glue him down on his feet and hold it all together until it dries. And then you've got just a little egg carton turkey. It's a good craft to make with some leftover materials. It does not require a lot to make it. It's just a fun, quick little turkey guy. Gobble, gobble.